Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Umayeni is fed up. Fed up finish. You know a woman, guys, or fed up finish that doesn't want to hear nothing. Haibo, Umayeni at this point, guys. I was so surprised at this episode. I said it before, Wuti, hey, we're gonna look as if we are bad people. But listen, Umayeni this season, guys, I think she's just fed up. And the thing is, when you are fed up, you end up looking as if you cruel, nandaba, and stuff like that. But in actual fact, you're just tired. You don't even have the strength to be talking through things. Guys, so anyway, we know in this episode, this is when we find out Chubutu Musa gets admitted into the hospital. Ne? Fine. Umatsele, she calls the wives and she tells them ukuthi Umusa's admitted into hospital. Let us all meet at the hospital, at that Port Shepstone hospital. Now is Kaka saying in Daba, guys, is that Umusa decided to cancel his medical aid. One thing about medical aid or a life, life will life, guys, the moment you just cancel that medical aid. But honestly, Umusa has too many children, guys. I know, like I am like Umusa, ukuthi like avele, like I'm not the type of person who kulayo and whatnot, but I just feel like it was just a careless thing to do. But listen, I'm not gonna judge him because you know what? Yeah. So anyway, and we'll even get back to that medical aid thing because uMatsele mentioned something about it. No mayeni. So uMatsele says ukuthi akuhlanganweni uphi esibhedlela. Fine. Everyone comes rushing. They come rushing. Now when they done seeing him and Umusa, it's time now for them to go home. I don't know if visiting hours had ended or whatnot. Now everyone's going back to their place, right? Then uMatsele decides to call a meeting, you guys, a meeting kwakhe esipaki, so that I don't know, she wants to address whatever she wants to address. Now, I think I heard Utobile, guys, correct me, because I think I heard Utobile saying Wuti there was an SMS sent, or I don't know, Umatsele, how did she call the meeting? But there seems like Umatsele sent out a message to the wives ukuthi kuzoba message. The reason why I'm saying that is because all the wives arrive at SC Park, right? And they are sitting and they're like, Pumayeni. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I don't think everyone would have been expecting Umayeni if there was no communication sent out. Do you understand what I'm saying? So Umatsele is also, she also doesn't know. She's like, angazi ukuthi where is she? Umbali is like, maybe she's running late. Umatsele decides to call her. So I think that is confirmation ukuthi there was either a text that was sent to their group or text or SMSs that Utobile forwarded from Umanto to the rest of the women. Angazi ke if Umayeni saw that message or not. But listen, when Umatsele calls, she tells Umayeni ukuthi phela sine meeting lana silinde wena ini. Umayeni is like, hayibo, like I can't make it, sorry, qhubeka nomhlangano, angihlangene mina. Hayibo guys, what does she mean ukuthi akahlangene? Because she's one of Umusa's wives. Umanto's like, hayibo, what do you mean ukuthi awuhlangene? Like you're one of Musa's wives. We need you here. We can't continue with the meeting without you because whatever I'm going to offer here, it needs you. But Umayeni was like, Mina, shame, I can't come. In her diary session, she's like, Mina, they left me to go all the way home, and now they want me to come back all the way to CPOP. I'm not gonna do that. Yo, guys, anyway, guys, she refuses bluntly, and you can hear Uguti, like on the phone, Uguti, like Abazingeni, she doesn't want to be part of that meeting. But in her diary session, guys, she does seem sincere. So it's almost as if she's sincere towards Indodayake and she wants to be there for Indodayake. But because in her diary session, she does say when she heard Musa was sick, even all the anger she had towards him, like it just flew out the window. So why didn't she then come to the meeting? Maybe get where she stays, it's far, but why couldn't she at least opt to say, okay, guys, I can't come now? Or are you guys willing to wait for me? If you guys are not willing to wait for me, can I be on speaker and then Mado, you can continue the meeting? But she just sounded like she's not interested and she didn't want to be part of any of that. On top of that, guys, uMacele says, remember ukuthi the medical aid is cancelled, right? uMacele speaks to all the wives ukuthi akuhlanganiswe imali to pay uMusa Mselegu's bill. And she says the only person who had a problem with it was Umayeni. Yes, eventually she took out the money, but it looked like she made it a big deal. I'm like, Mayeni Batum, why are you being so difficult? Why are you refusing? Because, okay, fine. Yes, you and Umusa have your own issues, but why are the other wives suffering for that at such a crucial time? Then the one Velayang target, guys, is the one where they were showing snippets for next week's episode, where we see Umayemi saying in her diary session, Uti, Yabana lendo tayabo, he must not dare think ukuthi izozamina and expect ukuthi ngizomnesa mina. Hi Mayeni, what do you mean? Hi guys, yo, Umayemi is scaring me this season, and like she's scaring me. I know what they say, when a woman is done, she's done. But at this point, even Umangwabe is a bit, she's a bit sensitive towards the situation. But Umayemi, it's like, guys, who's Kipile, like from the family, all of that. And we even see next week, Ngati, they are meeting, they're going to meet up again. And Umayeni is not there in the meeting up of the wives. I'm like, guys, Umayeni, hi. Because guys, the timing of this, guys, anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.